Now, okay, cool, you're rolling.
Okay. My name's Erin, and I just wanted to give a lot of praise to the services of Dr. Ashlin. I just received an adjustment, and for quite a few years, going back maybe even 4 years, I've suffered from all kinds of lower back pain symptoms, pelvic pain symptoms, muscular strain, stress symptoms for so long. And after just receiving this adjustment from Dr. Ashlin, I can honestly say it feels like a blessing. I have never felt so much pain release and stress relief so immediate and that lasted for so long that it's just honestly been wonderful. Enough that I've been raving about it to so many people, but I can't wait to see him again and see what other types of care and services and relief can be offered.